Okay, now
So I'm recording.
look,
The recording has started.
yeah. So yeah, the recording started. Thank you so much. Look, they are asking you to find the frequency, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you write in the text form here that formula of speed, that is speed equals
Okay, one second, sir.
frequency
One second.
times,
One second. One second. Yes, sir.
yeah,
Speed
okay,
equals
speed equals to frequency multiplied wavelength.
frequency multiply. So what is the multiply sign in the keyboard?
Multiplied, you just give x, then it is multiplied.
Okay, sir. Frequency multiplied by
Wavelength. Everyone take the notes. Okay, so then we are going to find frequency, right?
yes, sir.
So we have to make frequency as the subject. Make frequency as the subject, then it will be, you write again another text box, you write frequency equals,
Speed divided by wavelength, sir.
yes, speed divided by wavelength. Then you calculate and find the value. Put the values. Get the
Sir, if we make the wavelength the subject, then it will be speed divided by frequency.
Yes, exactly. Thank you.
Okay, sir. I had a question.
Okay. So you put the values now. You got the speed. You got the wavelength. So you can find the frequency now. Tell me what is the answer.
Frequency is for speed is 0.17 and wavelength is 0.019. 0.019.
Yes.
Sir,
Please write it. Shivanto, you
So
also
what's the
write
answer,
it.
sir? আমার তো ভুল আসছে calculator, sir.
You also write it here.
So it is 8.95 if we round it.
8.
Sir, what is the question number, sir?
Question number 1.
Sir, if we round it, then it comes 8.9.
Sir, 1B or sir 1B, right?
This
B1.
is 1A. Yeah, 1B1. So you
1B.
look here, the frequency is coming 8.95.
Hertz.
You should give the unit, that is hertz.
Yes.
HZ.
Yes, sir.
H is capital and Z is small. Hertz. Are you writing the unit, Shivanto? Beside your answer, you write hertz.
Okay, sir.
So everyone got the same answer, right?
Sir, ঠিক আছে না, sir?
Yes, but H should be capital because it is after the name of scientist. That's why it will be H capital. If you are writing a short form. Yes, correct. Now correct. Then go down a little bit. State. Can you read, Shivanto?
Okay, sir. One second, sir. Sir, এটা remove করে দিন। একটা second, sir. State what happens to the frequency of the wave as it passes into the right-hand section of the tank. Using
Okay,
figure
so
1.1.
Wait. First, you finish that one. In our previous classes, I gave you notes that frequency will be always same. Frequency is always constant, right?
Yes.
Can you remember this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So whenever we are getting this question, that what will be the frequency in the other side, or what will be the frequency in the other direction, then what will be the answer? What should be the answer? Frequency remains same. So you write the answer in text. Shimanto, frequency remains same.
Sir, why it remains same?
Because it is
Okay.
from the same source.
Oh, okay.
Sir,
Say, oh, yeah. You
sir,
get the
in
note.
one, sir, in A,
Yeah.
sir, in A1, the answer was, sir, 8.95, right, sir?
Yes. B1.
Yeah, B1, sir, 8.95 hertz.
And hertz, yes. Give the unit also. Okay, frequency remains same. So always the frequency will be same for the same source. You just remember it, okay? Then go down.
By
Yes.
using figure 1.1, Satan
Last
explain
part.
what happens to the speed of the wave as it passes into the right hand section of the tank.
Okay, go to the diagram. Okay, what will be the speed? They are asking us what will be the speed. So can anyone answer? What will be the speed in the right hand section?
So the speed will decrease
Very good. Why speed decreases?
because the wavelength decreases.
Because the wavelength decreases. Excellent. So it is clear to you, right? So you write it. Shimanto, what Saad told, you write that. Speed decreases
As
because
wavelength
wavelength decreases.
okay.
Sorry. There's speed.
Speed decreases as the wavelength decreases. Are you writing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Kazi, can you please set the attendance in the group?
Yes, sir.
Sir, previously you have done any question, right, sir, today on or only these 3 questions, sir?
We did
Wait.
number 1, 2, 3, 4, everything.
Okay.
You are late, Sad.
Yes.
Stupid boy.
Okay, now if everyone is done, then I will give you one important note, because some of the students were absent in last class. I have to make you understand why the wavelength is less here. Because from the diagram, when Saad saw the diagram, he understood the wavelength decrease. But what about others? Do you understand how he could get it that wavelength decreases from the diagram? Can you go to the diagram again? Shimanto, can you go to the diagram, please?
Yes, I'm in diagram.
Yeah, look how Saad told that wavelength decreases. Look at the right side. The gap between the lines is decreasing, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So the gap is showing us the wavelength. Is it clear how he told?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you go to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2, please.
Okay, sir. Please.
Yes. Here. Okay, question number 2. Can you read, please, Chimando?
Ripple tanks are often used to illustrate wave motion. Describe what is meant by wave motion in a ripple tank.
So wave motion means transfer of energy, right? And here the transfer of energy is in water wave. So the particles vibrate up and down. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you write it. Wave motion means transfer of energy
Wave motion means transfer of energy.
by the vibrations of particles up and down.
Sir, up and down and
Sir, by the
side by
sir?
side.
No, here it is water wave.
Oh yes, sorry.
Here they are talking about the water wave. So wave motion means transfer of energy by the vibration. Vibration is spelling V-I-V, V-I-B, V-I-B-R-A-T-I-O-N, vibration.
Okay.
Vibration of particles in bracket, vibration of particles up and down. Up and down. Okay. In after writing up and down, you give slash, give perpendicular.
Give slash.
Give slash. Yeah, slash, then write perpendicular. Up and down means perpendicular. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then bracket close. So why we are writing up and down? Because it is water wave and water wave is transverse wave. That's why. Okay. So done. Our this part is done. Go to next part. Yes. Can you read it?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm reading it, sir.
Make sure that everyone finish writing. Listen, you undo it, undo and make sure that everyone finish writing, then you go to the next.
Okay.
Ask them.
Okay.
Before deleting, you ask them.
Okay, sir. When describing wave motion, state what is meant by frequency, wavelength. What is meant by frequency and wavelength?
Wait. Now we are defining frequency and wavelength. So among the attendees who are participating, Shafkat will tell us what is called frequency. Shafkat will tell and you will write.
Sir.
Shimatu will write. Shafkat
Yes,
is
sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
So why you are late to talk? You say the definition of frequency, then you will write.
It is like how many waves has passed in 1 second or something. How many waves has traveled in 1
It
second?
is the amount of waves.
So did you understand, Shimatu, what he told?
Yes, sir. It is the amount of waves passed in 1 second.
Okay, right.
After that, one oscillation of an sir?
Oscillation, waves, cycles,
Oscillation and
vibrations,
complete
same thing.
cycle.
Same thing.
Okay, sir.
One thing, different names. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you for reminding so that other students can also be benefited, because sometimes they are seeing different names, they are confused. So waves means cycles, waves means vibration, waves means what? Oscillations. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one thing, four names. Then wavelength. Shaka, tell us the wavelength definition. Shaka, again he is silent. Yeah, if Shaka comes, then Saad, you tell.
Sir, I had some problem in one MCQ. When you'll solve it, sir? I had only one.
Sure, of course. Of course, we will do, no problem. Thank you for reminding. We will do it today, inshallah. So,
Hey,
wavelength,
Shimanta, koi যাস?
আরে কি রে আমার স্ক্রিন দেয়া আচ্ছা একটা সেকেন্ড
yeah,
আমার ওয়ান স্ক্রিন করা আছে
wavelength, right wavelength.
Okay.
Saad, you tell the definition of wavelength. Let him
Sir,
write.
the distance.
wait
Hmm.
okay the
Frequency টা স্যার লিখলাম না তো, it is the amount of wave
distance
moved per second, sir.
কাজ চুপ
Uh,
থাকে
to-
Yes.
the distance from crest to crest or trough to trough.
the distance with the distance from place to place
Crest, CREST.
Crest to crest.
আচ্ছা
CREST, crest.
crest to crest wait one second crest to crest
Or trough, TROUGH.
or trough TROUGH
Or
Trough to trough.
তারপর
Is called wavelength.
okay, done. The definition of wavelength is done. The next question, please.
everyone done writing
So everyone is done by writing. Now tell us. After he is deleting, you are saying I did not write.
okay
Write it quickly, please.
a water wave when a ripple tank strikes a barrier. Figure 2.1 shows some of the waterfronts of the incident wave. Direction of travel of incident wavefronts barrier. It's a question, sir.
Hmm. Yes, continue, please. Next, next.
The water wave hits the barrier and is reflected. Three of the wavefronts in figure already hit the barrier. The reflected parts of these wavefronts are not shown. Draw the reflected parts of these three wavefronts. So diagram is sir space nice sir.
Yes, so you have to draw there. Go back. There is space. You go back there in this diagram. 2.1 you have to draw.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Because here it is reflection. Okay, reflection is it will return back. Okay, so it will follow the rule of reflection, law of reflection. There will be I equals R.
Like this one?
Yes, very good. So you also show the arrow. Show the arrow, please.
Yes, sir. One second.
Okay, fine. If you can't show the arrow, then no problem. You just give the line. You understand? Okay. Thank you so much. So it is the direction of waves. It will go, but we have to also show the wavefronts. You see the lines, right? Can you see the lines, Shivanto?
Yes, sir.
So these lines are for the wave which is coming to the barrier. Now you will draw the same way. The gap will be same in between lines, but it will be parallel to this arrow, right? This arrow, not this, not like this. There will be no arrow. There will be only lines. Okay, like this.
Like this, sir.
Yes. Make the line perpendicular with the arrow. The lines you are drawing, those lines should be perpendicular with the arrow.
Like this.
No, not this. The arrow you have drawn, you see. First you understand. Look, the arrow is there, already there, and the wavefronts, you see, wavefronts are the lines. These lines, you see, the lines are perpendicular with the arrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So the reflected wavefronts will be also perpendicular with the reflected arrow. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir. Practically তো বললে তো ভালো হবে স্যার।
Okay, I'm showing
আচ্ছা
you.
আমি স্যার
You
আমি
keep it there.
সীমান্ত ওই যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা আছে না, অ্যাঙ্গেলটার যে মাঝখান দিয়ে একটা লাইন ই কর পারপেন্ডিকুলারলি,
এই যে
জাস্ট হাফ করে দে।
Okay, you draw this way. You draw
half.
this way. Are you seeing?
আচ্ছা
It's okay. We do not show the normal. Listen, sir. We do not. Yes, now he got it. Thank you. This way you draw some lines. You are drawing one here, so you draw two more lines this way. Just below it. Yes. And another line you draw up. That will be fine.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay. Excellent. Shivanto is awesome.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Yeah, so other students, wait for them and they should complete it. Please draw this diagram. You should understand it. When it is reflection, then you have to draw the wavefront this way. Okay, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? So tell them to finish their drawing, then we can go to the next part. It is very important. Is everyone done?
Sir, we have to draw it.
Yes, bro.
Draw it, everyone, draw it. Draw this diagram. It is question number 2C. Later on, you will ask me that, sir, I did not understand. I did not take the notes. I don't want to hear this. Just now you draw.
Sir, can you explain it in, sir, like one more time or shortly, briefly?
Yeah, yes. Listen, it is reflection, right? If it is
Yes, sir, it is
reflection,
reflection. Yes, sir.
so if it is reflection, the wavelength will be same.
Yes, sir, wavelength will be same.
So yeah, that's why we kept the gap same like before. And another thing, it is reflected. So reflected arrow we are drawing, and after drawing the arrow, we are making the wavefronts. We are drawing the wavefronts which are perpendicular with the arrow. Is it clear?
Oh, so like the refraction will be the opposite of the wave that is coming, and we'll draw the perpendicular lines.
Yes.
Sir, the gaps will be same, no, sir? The length of the.
Yes.
Okay, understood now.
Yes. Gap should be the same because it is same wavelength. It is the same medium it is going.
Oh, okay, sir.
It's not changing the depth.
Yes, sir. সীমান্ত কি করিস? রুটিনে যা একবার স্পটিফাইতে যা।
Srimanta is seeing the routine. What is his next class and when is the class, right, Srimanta?
Yes, sir. Next computer science class.
Okay, I know him. So, Srimanta, are you drawing? Can you remember all this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if you have the access of printing, take the printing of this worksheet.
Okay,
and
sir.
take the notes there. It will be awesome for you.
Okay, sir.
It will be permanent for your O-level preparation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I think all of you are done, right? Can you confirm me that you are done or not, everyone? So that we can go to the next one. No one is responding. If you are done, say done. If you need time, you tell me that, sir, we need time. Why you are silent?
Sir, we need time, sir.
Okay, tell me that we need time. Go to question number 5, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, make it bigger. Make it bigger. Yeah. Okay,
Figure
so can you
5.1
read
shows,
5A?
yes, sir. Figure 5.1 shows a transverse wave where distances A, B, C, and D are merged on the wave. State the letter that shows the amplitude of the wave.
Okay, this one, Zawad. Can you tell me the answer of this?
Which one, sir?
is
State the
amplitude?
I can
letter.
tell, sir.
Sir, A, sir.
Yeah,
I
which
guess,
one is
sir.
amplitude?
Sir, I think yes, sir.
Yeah,
Amplitude
yeah,
A,
sure.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, amplitude is A. So everyone you
Sir,
write here
I
A.
actually had a question in this.
A
Now I
answer.
understand it.
And what about D? What about D?
Sir, D is
State
not
the
amplitude because it shows
Sir,
when it's it both ये show करेगा sir.
sir. D is both.
Yeah,
That's why
D,
it is
is-
not.
double
D
D,
is double
sir,
the
double the
amplitude.
amplitude.
Sir, can you tell me what is the wavelength, sir? I think wavelength is C or B, sir. I think
Yes.
C, no,
Yes,
sir.
here C is wavelength.
Yes,
C
sir.
is wavelength,
Sir,
yes, and
oscillation
B is
कोणता sir?
half of the wavelength.
What are oscillation कोणता sir?
Okay, sir. If it was, sir, from like say, sir, from A to B,
Oscillation
sir.
means
I can't चुप. Yes, sir.
oscillation means one crest and one trough.
Okay.
That is complete oscillation.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and
Sir,
here we
একটা
have
question ছিল
yes, sure.
স্যার আমি বলছি যে স্যার যদি A থেকে B হতো তাহলে স্যার ওটা কি ওয়েভলেন্থ মনে করেন ওটা কি ওয়েভলেন্থ হতো স্যার if it was from A to B like the line
দেখি তো একটু প্লিজ গো ব্যাক।
করে দাও হ্যাঁ স্যার যদি A থেকে B হতো স্যার তাহলে কি এটা ওয়েভলেন্থ হতো
I don't understand. Can you speak?
I
Sir,
সীমান্ত একটুখানি
if the line goes from A to B
amplitude.
then it would be like the wavelength we'll count it as wavelength
Look, wavelength can be from crest to crest distance. Okay, from crest to another crest, or trough to another trough, or like see starting of the wave to the end of the wave. Okay, is it clear?
oh sir yeah clear sir
Now go to next. B, part B, 5B.
Sir, what is B here, sir? B. সীমান্ত একটু দাঁড়া।
B is half of the wavelength. B is half of the wavelength.
আচ্ছা, half of the wavelength.
C is wavelength and B is half of the wavelength. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Then frequency. What is frequency, Shivanto? You write again. Already you wrote once. You write number of waves every second. Yes, correct. Thank you. So everyone knows it now. What is frequency? Then next one you go. See,
Shimanto, each second, not each seconds.
it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. It's fine. Go down. We are not thinking about grammatical mistake. We are understanding physics. Okay. See,
Oh,
can you
then
continue please see?
A long spring is fixed at one end, as shown in figure 5.2. The spring is moved forward towards and away from the fixed end repeatedly. Repeated the compressions and rarefactions on the spring at a particular time can be seen.
Okay, then
State
continue.
the type of wave in the spring. So, if
So what type of wave it is? Mohammed Saad? It is going,
sir, this is sir.
look here,
Sir,
the arrows are
longitudinal.
shown at the left
Long-
side. Towards an
Sir,
arrow, right?
longitude.
Longitudinal, so write it, longitudinal wave. So it is forward and backward vibration, right? That's why it is longitudinal wave.
So spelling is a longitudinal.
Yeah, you are correct. Long G, GI, GI, TU, DI, then after TU, DI,
Yeah.
longitudinal, denal,
D now, sorry.
denal. And there should be longi, not D. After longi, you don't give GI, just longi, LONGI, wave, longitudinal wave. Okay, then next one you write C2, what should be the answer? Sound wave, right?
Example, yes, sound wave.
Yes, sir.
Sound wave, you write sound wave. Then go next. We are taking 1 or 2 minutes extra. Just we are finishing this question, okay? Can you go down, please? Everyone, please write fast. Yeah. Use the figure 5.2 to determine the wavelength of the wave in the spring. So you go a little bit up.
So
You
speed
show
divided by
that.
frequency.
No, it's not speed divided by frequency. Here we'll get the wavelength from the definition. Look, we are having here trace to trace and top to top